Hi, my name is George Quay, and I researched poetry from the Elizabethan era. The Elizabethan era lasted nearly half a century, from 1558 to 1603. This time period is commonly referred to as the Golden Age, due to major advancements in the arts. During this time period, authors drew a close interest towards previous writing styles used by the Italians, including the love sonnet, the allegorical epic, and the pastoral. The common style of poetry in this era was verse drama. Verse drama can be defined as any drama written as verse to be spoken. It is believed to be one of the most impressive accomplishments of writing in the English language. Poets from the Elizabethan era include William Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, and Christopher Marlowe, with Shakespeare being the most well-known of the three. The poet this presentation will focus on is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in 1564 and passed away in 1616. Although he wrote constantly during his lifetime, only some of his works are still surviving, including 38 plays and 154 sonnets. Shakespeare's excellence in creating dramatic scenes encouraged him to write a large number of plays. Shakespeare is considered to be one of the most well-known writers in the English language, widely known as the world's prominent dramatist. The following reading will be of Sonnet 130 by William Shakespeare. This poem is more commonly known as My Mistress's Eyes Are Nothing Like the Sun.
Sonnet 130 by William Shakespeare. My mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. Coral is far more red than her lips red. If snow be white, why then her breasts are dun. If hairs be wires, black wires grow on her head. I have seen roses damask, red and white, but no such roses see I in her cheeks. And in some perfumes there is more delight than in the breath that from my mistress reeks. I love to hear her speak, yet well I know that music hath a far more pleasing sound. I grant I never saw a goddess go, my mistress when she walks treads on the ground. And yet by heaven I think my love as rare as any she belying with false compare.
The first line in Sonnet 130 depicts the poem's meaning. My mistress's eyes are nothing like the sun. The second line uses the first comparison to expand on the theme. Coral is far more red than her lips red. The comparisons continue for 7 more lines until lines 9 through 10 show a faint compliment but soon retain the degrading tone. I love to hear her speak. Yet well I know that music hath a far more pleasing sound. The following 2 lines reflect the same language used by Shakespeare in lines 9 through 10. I grant I never saw a goddess go. My mistress when she walks, treads on the ground. The final 2 lines are used to create juxtaposition and display his fondness for the mistress. And yet, by heaven, I think my love is rare, as any she belied with false compare. To summarize the poem as a whole, Shakespeare is explaining that although he thinks of the lady he is with, she is not extraordinarily beautiful in any sense to him. Excerpts that prove this point are, I have seen rose damask, red and white, but no such roses see I in her cheeks. And in some perfumes is there more delight than in the breath that from my mistress reeks. By creating a dramatic scene about a mistress, Sonnet 130 by William Shakespeare models poetry of the Elizabethan era through the use of verse drama. These are the sources used to create this presentation.